In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and insert citations in Microsoft Word. Citations are incredibly useful for anyone writing an academic paper, article, or any document that requires referencing sources. By using Word's built-in referencing system, you can streamline this process, ensuring both accuracy and ease of management. So let's jump right into it. First, what you'll need to do is open up your Microsoft Word file where you want to manage your citations. This is your main working document, and it's where you'll gather all of your references and citations for easy access as you write. Once you have your document open, navigate to the top of the screen. You'll see a series of tabs like Home, Insert, and so on. What you're looking for today is the References tab. Give that a click. This is your gateway to citations galore. Once you've opened the References tab, you'll need to look for the Manage Sources button. This is a critical part of the process because it opens up a window where you can input all the details for your sources. Now, when you click on Manage Sources, a window will pop up. In this window, you can see all the sources you've already added, as well as a few options to add or modify them. If you need to add a new source or tweak an existing one, this is where it all happens. Now, if you need to input a new citation or change an existing one, go ahead and click New or Edit. You'll be prompted to fill in all the nitty-gritty details about your source. This includes information like the type of source, be it a book, article, or website, alongside the author, title, year, month, and day of publication, and even the page numbers, if relevant. Take your time here to ensure all details are correct, as this will ensure your citations are accurate and complete. Once you've filled out all necessary fields, click OK to save your new or edited citation. Don't worry if you need to make further changes later on. You can always come back and update any source details as you gather more information. With your sources in place, the next step is inserting them into your document. Still under the References tab, you'll find the Insert Citation button. Clicking it will give you the option to insert any of the sources you've previously entered. Go ahead and select the source you wish to cite. And just like that, Word will seamlessly add it to your document. Finally, we reach the end. Once you've selected and inserted your citation, your task is done. It's a quick and straightforward process that can significantly ease the burden of maintaining accurate citations. And there you have it. Your new citation is now neatly included in your document. Well done.